Cutting fresh meat evenly can be a real challenge until you get the right slicer in today's video. We are comparing the Submachine fresh meat slicer and its manual competitor to see which one gives you the perfect restaurant style meat slices every time. Let's dive into design, performance, price, and finally which one's worth your money. Design and build. The Submachine fresh meat slicer is a stainless steel manual cutter built for fresh meat. It packs an impressive 17 plates, letting you cut up to 18 slices in one stroke, perfect for beef, chicken, or lamb strips. It even includes two thickness options, 2 mm and 4 mm, and has suction cups on the base to keep it stable on your counter. Its competitors, a more traditional manual slicer, often features 8 to 12 blades, slightly fewer options, and relies on rubber grips for stability instead of suction. Both are made from stainless steel, but the Submachine feels more compact and modern. Performance and usability. When it comes to slicing power, Submachine's multiple blade setup helps you process more meat in less time. However, because it's fully manual, you will need some effort, especially with tougher cuts. The competitor with fewer blades takes more time per batch but can sometimes offer more control and variable thickness settings beyond just two options. One key limitation for both models: they are designed for fresh meat only. They can't slice frozen meat, bones, or daily product. Cleaning, however, is a win for Submachine. It comes with its own cleaning brush, and a smaller footprint makes it easy to rinse and dry quickly. Price and value. The Submachine slicer is usually priced as a budget-friendly manual tool, often around $40 to $60 on Amazon, depending on the seller. Its competitor models fall in a similar range, but sometimes cost more if they include extra blades or thicker materials. For home users who just want quick, constant meat slices, Submachine gives more blades and speed for the money. For those who prefer precision and flexibility, the competitor still holds its ground. Verdict. So here's the final verdict. Choose the Submachine fresh meat slicer if you want speed, simplicity, and value. Choose the competitor if you prefer more control and adjustable slicing thickness. Either way, both are great for home kitchens, giving you those perfect meat slices for stir fry, jerk, or barbecue prep. Links for both slices are in the description below. Check them out and don't forget to rate, like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.